I'm going to go over how we manage a team of over 105 chef teacher instructors for Lift Enrichment. I'm Eric, coming at you from Dubai, which is my home, and we have grown rapidly over the years to the point where we have 105, I think it's almost 110 W-2 instructors within Lift Enrichment. It's not easy to manage, but we have very good systems. So the first thing we do is we have recruiting. Recruiting is a dialed-in strategy. With step 2, you have to have a system for onboarding. So next, after everyone's hired, they go through about 2 to 3 to 4 week onboarding process. This shows them all the intricacies of how to teach a class, and they have to assist classes, do a mock class, get their supplies, get their uniform. So many little steps along the way to make sure they're ready to go. And this recruiter team of 3, soon to be 4, balances an onboarding team of about 3 as well. Next, we have account management. So when you have a lot of schools, you have to be able to then take the new chef teachers and schedule them and staff them at the sites. You take this one, have this person work Monday, Wednesday, Friday. This one can work Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday. This person can do 5 days. This person can do 2 days. Having a team, we have about 3 account managers and an account person above them that directs them all. They are the masters of making sure all the chefs are working at all the sites once they're fully trained and having backups, because in the world of service businesses, you never know when somebody will quit or you have to terminate their contract and you need backups. Lastly, we manage all these chef teachers with amazing support and check-ins. Every month, we have an all-chef teacher Zoom meeting led by our internal team, and it's so much fun to talk to them, to see their smiling faces, to see how excited and passionate they are. We also do evaluations. So when chefs are new or we just want to check how they're doing with a new client, we hop on Zoom and we watch a live class. And with a team of almost 3 admin doing this, we see probably dozens of different live classes per week. And that allows us to scale up. So right now we have 100 chefs and soon we'll have 150. One day we might even have 200, but it's a key part of Lift Enrichment's growth and success.